Okay, guys, let's look at this new setup on GainX 1200, and we will be checking this out together. And I will tell you the exact strategy which I am also using to milk this particular setup. So we will be doing this together in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I will advise you to do so right now because that will help you to get notified each time I upload a training video like this. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go back into what we have right here. So this is GainX 1200 and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. If you should remember, this had been on downtrend right from this region. It sold till it got to this support zone. Tried to go back on uptrend, but later on came back to break out below the support zone to give us more selling opportunity. So at this point, got into another support zone. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from there. Made several attempts to break out from there, still unable to break out from there. Okay, but since this is trying to go back into an uptrend, we don't know how far it will go, and we don't know if it is to come back and break out below this support zone. But even if it's going to buy for a very long time, we are targeting this region as the maximum level first. It can break out from there to achieve all these, but first this should be the maximum level. And in order for us to have a clearer view of what we have right here, I will take this chart down to 5 minute time frame because days have been on a very strong downtrend for a very long time. However, we need to be sure of what we are expecting right here. So this is the setup I am having for us. Okay, this is going to serve our stop loss, the support zone. We serve our stop loss. Then this should be our entry point, and you can see it has triggered our entry point and giving us a profit already. So I'm setting my first TP at this point, then the second TP at this point. This is the maximum level which we are looking out for. However, if it breaks out from there, I'm still expecting it to get to this region. Okay, but first we should target this level first. This will help us to maintain a good stand right here. Okay, so in case this is going to push it backward again, this will still give us a lot of profit at this point. Okay, so this is the aspect, this is the part of trend trading strategy which I actually love. Okay, because you don't need to stress yourself, you just need to follow the trend. So this is on 5 minutes time frame right now, and of course, just where we have seen it, the same thing that we saw on 15-minute time frame is what happened around here, because 5 minutes is not too far from 15 minutes time frame, and this will have given us a lot of profit if we decided, or if the trade decided to go our way like this. So for now, this is the target we are looking out for. So we expect it to get to this first, then next to this, and next to this. And if it's not going to go this way, if it's going to break out below the support zone, then definitely it should trigger our stop loss at that particular point. But right now, we are still in profit, and this may likely get to this region. That is the power of trend trading strategy. Now, let me explain or break down the trend trading strategy for us in full. Okay, trend trading strategy is actually a strategy that gives you the opportunity to trade the signal that supports the trend. Okay, what am I trying to say? You only need to follow the signal that supports the trend, which means this has gotten to the support zone already. So we should know that only two things can happen from the support zone. It is either there is a breakout below the support zone to continue a downtrend, or there is a switch within that region, okay, within the support region. Okay, that is, it will be switching from a downtrend into an uptrend. So in this situation, it is yet to break out below the support zone, so it is now switching into an uptrend. So we are buying right now. So an uptrend, the only signal that supports the uptrend signal is only a buy signal. That is why we are following a buy signal in this situation. Okay, so anything that has to do with sell signal, we have nothing to do with it in this at this point. Okay, but if it breaks out below this support zone, then the only thing we should go for is a sell signal, because that means it is still going back on downtrend at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I will advise you to take advantage of this right away. So I hope you have gotten the trend trading strategy like that. Okay, so if you need more explanation on this, I can be a bit practical on this in my next video. Okay, so remember, this is the entry point, this is the stop loss, TP1, TP2, and TP3. But if it breaks out from here, we are expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so we should have that at the back of our mind. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and practice this, and more trading signals will be dropped within the Telegram channel. If you are not there, take your time to click on the link, the Telegram link within the description box or the pin down message right now, so that you can be a part of that. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.